let go!
Stay low and grab the railing!
Please don't let go. I just want to go back down. Please, I'm so scared. Hi, I'm Radish, all the way from America.
Welcome, Radish. You are going to love it here.
Come on, let's show you around.
I can't wait to see everything.
Let's go see a festival happening in town today.
Oh, wow! Look at all these colors!
This is Diwali, the festival of lights.
I love it already.
Now let's try a traditional game. Have you played kabaddi?
No idea, but I'm ready to try.
Just run, tag someone, and get back safely.
This is so much fun!
Now let's try some real Indian street food.
This is Pani Puri. Pop the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh my gosh, that burst of flavor!
There's more to explore. Let's see the mountains next.
We'll take the cable car to get up there.
I've always wanted to ride one of those.
Come on, let's get in.
This is so exciting, I can't stop smiling.
Look at that view. Isn't it beautiful, Radish?
This is the most amazing thing I have ever seen.
Wait until you see the top. It gets even better.
I feel like I'm floating above the whole world.
This is my favorite part of the whole mountain.
I could stay up here forever, honestly.
Just a few more minutes, and we'll be at the top.
I don't want this ride to end. Wait, why did we just stop like that?
I don't know. That felt really strange.
Let me check. This has never happened before.
Why is it so quiet? Why aren't we moving?
Just stay calm, Radish. It might just be a small pause.
I don't like this. Something feels really wrong. What was that sound? Did you hear that?
I heard it too. Everyone stay very still.
I'm scared. I really don't like this at all. I just want to go back down. Please, I'm so scared.
Hey, look at me. We are right here with you.
You are not alone, Radish. We will get through this together.
What if we're stuck up here forever?
We won't be. Someone will notice and help us soon.
Just breathe with us. In and out.
It's tilting! Oh my god!
Hold on tight! Don't let go!
Stay low and grab the railing!
Look at the sky. A storm is coming fast. No, no! This can't be happening. I'm shaking. Somebody help us!
Help us!
Breathe with me, Radish. We'll get through this.
Hold on, no matter what.
I feel like we're going to fall.
Look, people are gathering below.
Please let them see us.
Do you hear that? It's getting louder.
Look, rescue help is coming straight for us. They found us.
They actually found us.
Stay calm. We're lowering a line now.
I'm scared. scared to move.
I've got you. We'll go together.
Please don't let go.
You're safe now.
Now it's our turn. Let's go, Potato.
Right behind you.
We made it! We actually made it! I told you we'd get through this together.
That was the scariest thing I've ever been through.
I've never been so happy to feel solid ground.
You were so brave up there, Radish.
I couldn't have done it without you both.
That's what family and friends are for.
Even in the scariest moments, having people beside you makes all the difference. This trip taught me that true courage means holding on, together.
If Radish's brave journey touched your heart, subscribe and share it with someone who needs a reminder that true friends never let go.